We might have heard about many of the familiar companies we know, and many of the giant companies that we are obsessed about are coming for an IPO. So what is IPO? IPO is initial public offering, and we have already talked about that. Now the question is how to apply for an IPO and what actually is an IPO. So basically IPO is a process of bringing a private company to public. So to apply an IPO means that is to buy out the shares before it is even listed in the exchange. So how can we apply for an IPO? So let's see how to apply for an IPO on the screen. This is how the Zerodha terminal will be looking like, and you know, right? So here I first have to go to my console. So this is how my console is. At my console, then I have to go to portfolio. Okay, so here we have all the details, and when it comes to when I just click on this portfolio, I have this Dropbox coming here. So out of that, I just select the IPOs. So under here there is an IPO window where you can see all the available IPOs at the current date. Okay, so also you can check the upcoming IPOs here in this particular tab. Okay, so you have this particular tab, you can apply, like you can see the upcoming IPOs, like you can see the IRFC IPO which is available, the Indigo Paints, NSDL, Barbecue Nations, and a lot of IPOs which are yet to be announced. Even for that the dates to be announced, and also you can see the closed IPOs here as well. So these are the available IPOs that we have, and when we go back to this particular point where we have just went to this portfolio and just clicked on this IPO tab, so what you see here would be the available IPO right now. So how to place the IPO, or how to place and bid or go for an IPO. So this is the question. So we have the IRFC available here. You can see the starting date is 18th Jan and the end date is 20th Jan. So you have to complete the process before this date in order to get this particular IPO. And also we have the price range here. The price range is from 25 to 26 rupees, right? Between 25 or 26 is the price range that we have, and the minimum quantity or the lot size is 575. Like if at all we are making a normal trade, we can buy one stock or two stocks or even three or four or whatever number of counts you need. But when it comes to the IPO application, you have to maintain a set of quantity. So the minimum quantity that you can focus on is 575, and the number of quantities that you can buy would be in the multiples of 575. So in order to apply for an IPO, you have to click on this bid sign. You can click on that bid button, then this particular window will appear. So this particular window have all the informations regarding the IRFC IPO, that is IRFC, which exchange it is. It is NSE exchange, right? So the issue open date, issue end date, the size of the market size, the issue price, and a lot, and even the minimum quantity required of the market lot. Everything is shown here. So here you can see also, like you can also see that here the IPO window will be open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. only. So here this is the place where you should be keeping your you just be typing down your UPI ID, so that that particular thing will be blocked. Okay, or that particular idea will be blocked, or that particular amount will be blocked in that particular account. So I can just type down my UPI ID out here, and I can have the all details, like all which particular UPI segment that I'm choosing. So here I'm going for this particular UPI, so I'm just choosing this. I can choose what kind of investor I am. So I personally is an individual investor, so I can choose this. And here I can add the set or the lot of stocks that I actually need. So I can type down the quantity as 575, or I can just click on this arrow button so that I get the quantity according to the market lot itself. So I increase it is always in the multiples of 575. So that's a lot size. So I'm including the lot size of 575, and either I can go for a cutoff price, which means that whichever price between 25 to 26 is available, I'll be getting that price, or else it will be with a maximum price that is of 26. Okay, so here the range is very small, so that I don't care. So I'm just putting my cutoff price, that's 26, and I can click on this particular button so that I can click on submit, and I get the IPO application has been submitted, and a UPI collection request will be sent to my UPI app so that I can accept it, and that particular amount will be blocked. So the amount that you have paid via the UPI transaction will be blocked till the date of an issuance, and once
your IPO gets accepted, that particular amount will be withdrawn from your account automatically. So basically it will be like an auto pay request of a UPI ID. So it's a simple process. You can just type out the UPI IDs and that particular request will be available at the app. You can just type down your you can just type down your UPI pin and confirm that particular request. And if at all the IPO is available and you are getting it, you will be accepted and the money will be transferred from your bank account. And that particular stocks or that particular lot size of that stock that you have applied for will be available at the demat account of your broker. So the process is this simple, and applying for an IPO is a very big thing, I guess. So yeah, this video was to give you an idea regarding how to apply for an IPO, and I guess you guys have a pretty good idea right now. And subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you.